Hi guys, welcome back to the automation point. So in this tutorial we will see how to connect to AWS EC2 instance with Putty on Windows systems. Okay, guys, so let's move on the agenda of this tutorial. So this tutorial agenda, yeah. So in this tutorial we will see download and installations of the Putty. So first of all we will download the Putty from installer from this link, and then we will install the Putty on this system. And after the successful installation, then we will go on the AWS web console, and from the AWS web console we will go to the EC2 instance dashboard, and from there we will create the key pair values, that is the PEM file, to access any EC2 instance that using the SSH protocol. And once we have this PEM file, then we can convert this PEM file to the PPK file, okay, using the Putty generator. And further, this PPK file, that is the private file, we will use to connect to that specific EC2 instance to which this PEM file is connected using the Putty. So let's go to the URL, take this URL, okay, and go on the web browser and open this URL. So from this URL, yeah, this is the Putty official site. So here we have the option to download the Putty installer. So just click on the download it here. So once here you will get the specific Putty installer for the different system. So here my system is Windows system, so we will 64-bit Windows. So we will download the Windows installer, Windows MSI for 64-bit. So just click here and download. Okay, so already I have downloaded one, so we'll use that downloaded file. So here I have the Putty installer, so just click on this Putty installer, okay, then simply click next, okay, where it going to install. So the download folder will be program file Putty, so it will create the Putty folder inside the C drive program file. Create next, install, yeah, yes, we're going to do the change. Okay, so now successfully we have installed, finish, okay, and close this file and go on the C drive. So inside the C drive, guys, so the program file, you can see there is a Putty folder. Inside that Putty folder we have all the different files associated with the Putty, and one file is the Putty generator. So to create the PEM file, convert the PEM file into the PPK file, we will use this Putty generator. So first of all, let's create the PEM file from AWS web console. So already I have logged into the AWS instance and AWS account, and from that account you can go on EC2 dashboard, okay, and from this EC2 dashboard, guys, go in securities, network and security sections, where you will get one link, that is the key pair. So just click on this link. Now you can create this key and pair, that is the PEM file. Okay, so just simply click here, okay, click here and pass the PEM file name. So you can pass it, let's say temp test 3, and create. Okay guys, so now once you will hit on the create, it will download that PEM file, okay, and then take that PEM file and use this PEM file to create the EC2 instance, okay, and then you will take this PEM file on the system and will use to connect that EC2 instance. So already whatever the the EC2 instance right now we want to connect with have the PEM file associated with, that is the, let's see, go on this EC2 instance. So just right now this EC2 instance is running. So here we have the pranab.key pair PEM file. So that PEM file is already on my local. So go on the dashboard, okay, and in AWS point, here we have the you can see the Pranav key pair. So we will convert this PEM file into the PPK file using Putty generator. Okay, so now just you have shown how to create the PEM file. So it is the very simple steps just we need to follow and create the PEM file. Once you have this PEM file available, you can convert it to PPK file. So again, go on the C drive, program file, and inside the program file, Putty, and open this Putty generator. Okay, so this is the Putty generator interface. So just load the PEM file to be converted in PPK file. Go here, select all. Okay, select all. Sorry, go here, select all, file type. Okay, so already this is pointed to the this automation point folder where this PEM file is available. So select this PEM file, click open, successfully import foreign key. Okay, then okay, so after that just make sure to select this RSA and 2040, and now after making sure that the RSA is selected, just save this private keys. Click on this one, and are you sure you want to save this key without a passphrase to protect it? Right, yes. Okay, and give the PEM file name, that is the sample test ppk, and save in the same folder. Okay, now close it and go to the folder. So here from the dashboard, a point, inside the a point you can see a sample test ppk. Now where I have the ppk file of this PEM file, that is then now we will use this ppk file to connect with the EC2 instance to which this PEM file is connected and associated. So now let's go. This is the EC2 instance we have. Okay, select this EC2 instance, and here you can see the public IP, DNS, and private IP. So to connect from the outside internet, just take this public IP and open Putty. Putty, an app is here. Go on the Putty interface. Here on the session sections, just pass the host IP address. So the host IP address, just I copied from here, pass here, and then go on the SSH options and then authentication, and here you can browse your PPK file. So click here, select the specific PPK file, open it. Okay, now this file is browsed, and again click on the open. So once you will click on the open, this CLI command prompt will be prompted. Okay, so here it is saying that login as. So now what we need to pass. So let's see, this system name we need to pass. So just click on the connect, and once you will click on the connect, you will get the complete description of this DNS. So here it is saying Ubuntu, and this is the IP address of that Ubuntu system. So just this is the system name. At the before that the rate, you can take the system name is Ubuntu. Okay, so just take it and log in as whatever the system name is there. So just pass it here, Ubuntu, and click enter. Okay, this authentication has happened, and now we have connected to the EC2 instance. So let's match. So we have selected this EC2 instance, and this description is here. Okay, so now guys, you can see the IP address of this instance, Evento 172.3.1.15.18, and the same private IP we have here. Means we have connected to this EC2 instance which is running. Okay, now if you want to see and you want to fire any command on that instance, you can do. So let's fire the simple command ls.l, enter. So in this way you can see whatever the folders is available on that system. Okay guys, so now we have connected to the Ubuntu EC2 instance using the Putty. Okay, So this way guys, I think I have covered the agenda of this tutorial. So agenda was that's download and install the putty and then create the key pair. So I have created the key pair and then I converted this key pair into the ppk file using the putty generator. And once we have this pem file available, and just by using the putty, I have taken the public IP of the specific instance to be connected. Okay, and taking the public IP and using this ppk file, successfully we have connected and we fire the simple command to see the folder on of that machine. So in this way guys, we have completed this tutorial agenda. So please subscribe, share and like the automation point channels to keep getting automation updates guys. Thank you once again guys.